Hi, it's Michael Hankerson with the Hankerson Team, Luxury Division. Today I stopped by to check on the progress of one of Arizona's most remarkable modern estates, a residence we call Bars and Bridges. Designed by architect Amit Upadhye, this home represents the next chapter of desert luxury. Concrete for permanence, steel for precision, and glass to open the home to mountain light and long views. The design doesn't simply sit on the site, it spans a natural desert wash, creating a rare sense of connection between architecture and landscape that you feel the moment you arrive. What sets this property apart is the engineering behind the beauty. Massive steel members run east to west, coordinating with north-south roof framing to establish a clear, modern geometry. Those same structural lines make possible one of the signature moments of the home, a lap pool suspended from the second level, supported by two 15,000-pound beams. It's dramatic, yes, but more importantly, it's executed with the kind of accuracy that serious buyers value. There are two specialized crews on site today. First, the steel team, welding and tying in the primary structure, including the canopy framework at the back patio near the future pool. Every connection is about long-term performance, the quiet strength that allows for slimmer profiles, larger openings, and the kind of indoor-outdoor flow people want in Paradise Valley. Second, the mechanical team, trenching for underground HVAC air returns. This system draws air through the cooler earth before it enters the home, helping regulate temperature naturally while keeping mechanical equipment discreet. It's a thoughtful solution, efficiency without compromise to the architecture. Overall progress is impressive. The roof is fully framed, major steel is in place, and the concrete forms that anchor the house into the terrain are substantially complete. You can already read the experience this home will deliver: privacy from the street, openness to the McDowell Mountains, and a sequence of covered outdoor rooms that extend living areas into the desert. For a future owner, the value is clear: distinctive design, serious engineering, and a location that puts you minutes from the best dining, golf, and resorts in the valley, yet offers a feeling of calm you don't often find at this level. Finishes will be modern and restrained, letting the structure, the light, and the view do the work. And the floor plan is crafted for both everyday ease and memorable entertainment. Bars and Bridges is more than a beautiful build, it's a chance to own an architectural statement that will remain significant for decades. If you or someone you know would like more information on this project, or are interested in the opportunity to purchase this architectural masterpiece, please contact Michael Hankerson at 602-770-7205. Thanks, and have a great day.